Welcome to this video on the MES Smart Factory. We will explore how our integrated platform streamlines operations from machine to shipment, covering MES, smart warehouse management, and logistics automation for full traceability. Factories without a connected platform face constant challenges, leading to production stops, idle forklifts, inaccurate inventory, and shipment errors. This lack of a digital trail results in lost traceability and operational inefficiencies. The MSF Smart Warehouse offers a single platform for full visibility, eliminating manual steps. It integrates everything from production data and warehouse management to real-time inventory tracking, RTLS for forklift tracking, and seamless ERP connectivity. Achieve an end-to-end digital material flow. From the moment an ERP work order is received to final customer delivery, every step is fully automated to ensure zero manual input and perfect accuracy. Our MES architecture connects directly to machines using various industrial protocols, including Siemens S7, OPC UA, and Modbus. By handling protocol translation at the edge, we eliminate middleware and delays. Production execution is fully tracked. Once a work order is pushed, MSF handles BOM explosion, material checks, and operator assignment. The system then monitors production in real time, automatically confirming order completion and posting yields back to the ERP. Our real-time consumption engine turns every unit counted by the PLC into an instant stock movement. This ensures inventory in both MSF and your ERP is always accurate. This diagram illustrates our robust ERP integration architecture. It provides bidirectional, real-time synchronization for all production and warehouse events, using standard APIs to eliminate the need for custom development. While traditional WMS systems are reactive, asking simple questions about stock, our MSF Smart WMS is proactive. It anticipates material needs, optimizes forklift paths, and enforces FIFO, giving you actionable answers in real time. Our smart reservation engine operates with zero human intervention. It automatically calculates BOM requirements, performs FIFO allocation, validates lots, and generates necessary tasks, ensuring stock is reserved and ready without double booking. The dispatcher management system acts as a digital co-pilot for forklift operators. It manages task queues, provides optimal navigation, and uses mobile confirmations to ensure performance and efficiency across all logistics tasks. We go deeper into the machine. By integrating production counts from PLCs, IIoT sensors, and cameras, we automate consumption calculations. This keeps stock levels accurate in real time, avoiding the need for end-of-shift reconciliation. Finished goods flow is fully automated. When a pallet is full, a PLC signal instantly triggers label creation, printing, dispatcher notification, and ERP record preparation, requiring no operator input. Our Smart Gate Management uses advanced scanners to capture every pallet movement automatically. By validating IDs and locations before triggering ERP movements, we ensure perfect synchronization. Finally, we streamline shipment management. By validating every step, from picking and packing to loading and final delivery, MSF prevents common errors like wrong product or lot loading, ensuring high-quality, fully traceable shipments. Our RTLS and indoor tracking capabilities ensure you always know the real-time location of every forklift and pallet with 10 to 30 centimeter accuracy. Whether you need to find a specific pallet or monitor warehouse occupancy, MSF provides the answers instantly. With end-to-end traceability, you can identify exactly which raw material went into any finished product in seconds. Our system maintains a complete digital chain from supplier batch receipt through production and transfer to the final customer delivery. Our platform tracks every KPI you need, from warehouse inventory accuracy and FIFO compliance to production effectiveness and logistics response times. All metrics are available on one dashboard and easily exportable to your existing business intelligence tools. The MES Smart Factory platform is more than a traditional WMS. It is a fully integrated digital ecosystem connecting your entire supply chain. Contact us at MES Smart Factory today to see how we can transform your operations.